In Lesson 3, we're going to discuss what Lti tools are, and we're going to learn where we can go within Schoology to start installing them. So LTI stands for Learning Tool Interoperability. Basically, learning tools exist on the internet, whether it's a website or it's an online tool. You see some of them represented over here. There are 6 of them we're going to learn about today that you may already be familiar with. Interoperability means that it can operate within or between Schoology and the actual online tool itself. And so basically, Schoology, once we set this up, the way that this works is Schoology communicates with an external online tool like Edpuzzle or WeVideo or Turnitin or website through a special code and password. And during this module, we're going to talk about how we access these codes and how we access these passwords so we can connect Schoology with one of the online tools. Once we connect them with the code and the password, the external tool can now be used within the Schoology platform. It'll feel as though the platform itself, for example, like Edpuzzle, is actually embedded inside of Schoology itself, while other tools like Quizlet and MathType allow us to open them from Schoology, but that they add some functionality within Schoology as well. Now, there is something to be aware of, is that not all online tools integrate with the same functionality, look, or feel within Schoology. Part of that is based on just the way that the tool works. Edpuzzle is a video lesson platform, while Quizlet is a flashcard factory platform. Those are going to function and look a little bit differently within Schoology itself. During this module, we're going to take a look at each of these lessons that we go through, and we're going to learn about the functionality of each one of these tools as they work within their Schoology integration. So for example, some of them have embedding options. Some of them actually have grading options. Edpuzzle, for example. Your Edpuzzles will be automatically graded, and they'll populate within the Schoology gradebook. Now, the way that we install Lti tools from Schoology is within the Schoology Apps Center. Once we're back in our Schoology course, we're going to go ahead and locate the App Center, which is the top right. It looks like there are 4 quadrants here. We're going to go ahead and click this. It's going to expand, and we're going to click App Center. And here's the App Center. We can search by filter type at the top. We scroll down. We can see all the Lti tools that are available to be integrated within Schoology. So really take some time to go through and see which ones might work for you. Now that we have a general idea about Lti tools and how they function within Schoology, let's take a look at some specific examples.